Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to set up some global parameters for our Git. And this is compulsory to set up this. If you are not going to set up this right now, then it will create trouble for us when we are going for some advanced Git commands and all this. So, I am using my Windows system. You can set up this for any machine like Windows or Linux, no need to worry. So, to open this Git bash, go to the start and then type Git bash. It will open Git bash. Right? Now here you can press Ctrl plus sign. It will zoom this. Okay. Okay. Now, the first command that we need to set up is our username. Okay. The command is git config. Okay. Git config dash dash. It is global. Okay. Now, what we want to set up? We want to set up username. So I'm going to say user.name, and you can set up your username. Let's say that I'm going to set up CloudFox. Okay, it is done. The another command that you need to give over here is git config dash dash global, then user.email. Okay, I'm going to set up my email like pavish@cloudfoxhub.com. Now it is not compulsory for you to set up the right email or anything. Even if you are going to set up anything, it works. Okay, it is just for our detail, because when we are going to use GitHub in a collaborative environment, okay, other user can find out the detail about this. Okay, and that's why it is compulsory to set up this. Okay, now once you set up this, okay, you want to verify this. Okay, so the command is git config dash dash list. When you give this command, okay, you will get this username and user email. Okay, very simple commands, and you can also use same command with Linux environment, but it is compulsory. Okay, so now we are all set to start using Linux. In the next video, we will start Linux, and we are going to talk about how it is actually working. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.